I want to talk about why most home warranty companies are so slow to service their customers' claims and what you should look for when choosing a home warranty company so this doesn't happen to you. Let's get started. Most home warranty companies have contracts negotiated with local service providers to perform certain repair jobs at a pre-negotiated price, which is pretty common with most home warranty companies, but the biggest reason why the service takes so long is because of the parts. Most large national home warranty providers have national contracts with parts warehouses, which means when your local service provider needs a part to repair your air conditioner, he or she has to call the warranty provider and provide a list of parts needed for the repair. The service provider will then leave and wait for the warranty company to ship in the parts, which could take 3 days, 10 days, or even more, depending on where the parts are being shipped from. Once the parts are finally received by the service provider, they will then have to follow back up with the warranty customer and schedule another time to come back. Now, let's say the service provider is back at the warranty customer's home and they discover that the parts that were shipped are not correct. Oh no. Now the entire process starts over with the ordering and shipping of the parts. So you can see why this process is antiquated and becomes a huge nuisance for the warranty customer, especially if they're sitting in their home that is 100 degrees. Our process at Home Membership is entirely different. We have our service providers go to their local warehouse to get all the necessary parts to make sure your repair is made as quick as possible. This provides a better overall experience for our members because they will be serviced usually the same day, and it allows the service provider the convenience of going through their local warehouse and dealing with the brand of parts they are used to using. If you are interested in getting more info about Home Membership for your home, please visit our website at homemembership.com for all the details.